So guys, I'm going to add 6 eggs in the boiling water. Just look at it, and I'm going to wait here 2 minutes for it to cook. And until it gets very firm. Now that it's very firm, our egg is stirring here. Just look. I am going to stir, okay? This egg down here, very stirred. Look how it looks, guys. I'll let it cook for more than 10 minutes. Okay, look, people. The 10 minutes have passed, cooking the egg. And now I'm going to use a sieve to get the egg out of here. And I'm going to use a spoon to help me. And I'm going to bring this egg here. Look, people. Here's a new way to make omelet, right? Now I'm going to reserve this omelet for us to make the other part. Guys, let's go here for the second part. I have an onion. Look, I pulled. Olive oil in the frying pan too, and I'm going to add 3 cloves of fried garlic. Chopped, and the red bell pepper. Look, I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to be adding green bell pepper, okay? I'm also going to put a chopped tomato. Look, now we're going to saute this garlic and this onion. Look, guys, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, okay? Add here a half a cup of pepper and a teaspoon of thyme. Let's stir very well. Okay, it's ready, guys. I'm going to turn off the fire, and the smell is delicious. I'm going to put it here on top of the omelet. Look at this. How delicious it is. This omelet. Oh, very good. Very good indeed. Look at this. Put everything, okay? Very good. And now I'm going to spread our spices on top. Spread it well. Very different even for you to serve there at lunch, at dinner. Look how delicious it is. Very good, huh? I'm going to take a piece here. Look how delicious it is, people. And here's another piece. And now, people, just savor this delicious omelet. Look, very good indeed.